Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide. Here is Nathan Weaver.
Greetings and welcome to Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom. I'm Nathan Weaver, founder and executive director of Petra Worldwide. For the self-employed, the business is the retirement plan. We pour our sweat, our time, and our gold into building something that will hopefully one day provide for us in the sunset of our lives. But the tax king doesn't care about our long-term dreams. He cares about his cut. Fortunately, the law provides for a specific storage vault for the independent builder, the Simplified Employee Pension, otherwise known as a SEP IRA. Today, we unmask how this single account can shield up to 10 times more than the traditional IRA, and why the deadline loophole makes the ultimate last-minute fortress in this tool. Power of the SEP IRA lies in its capacity. While a standard IRA may cap your protection at $7,500, the SEP IRA allows you to store a massive percentage of your harvest. For the current tax year, the limits have reached new peaks. The 25% rule says you can contribute up to 25% of your compensation, net self-employment income, into your vault. The $72,000 ceiling is the absolute limit for 2026. A staggering $72,000 is a huge limit. The zero FICA advantage that it holds, unlike a 401k where your employee contributions still are hit with Social Security and Medicare taxes, on a SEP IRA, contributions are made by the employer, which is you, are often fully deductible and exempt from the payroll taxes. However, there is a catch. If your kingdom has employees, the tax king demands proportional justice. If you put 20% of your salary into the vault, you must put 20% there for your employees as well. For the solopreneur, it's a wide open door. For the employer, it's a calculation and loyalty and a building for your employees.
Pastors and financial leaders, do you need expert accounting or tax help? Do you have payroll or 1099 questions? Do you need a ministry expert to help you acquire real estate for your next project? If the answer is yes, yes, and yes, visit petraworldwide.org. Petra Worldwide has been strengthening ministries to transform humanity since 2007. Visit petraworldwide.org or call 855-481-9095.
While the One Big Beautiful Bill focused heavily on overtime and tips, it also reinforced the permanent nature of these retirement accounts. One of the greatest secrets of the SEP IRA is its time machine feature. Most retirement plans must be opened by December 31st to count for that tax year. But the SEP IRA can be opened and funded as late as the filing deadline, and that includes extensions. That means in April or even October, you can look at your current year tax bill and realize that, hey, this bill's a little too high. What else can we do? And open a SEP IRA and retroactively wipe out thousands of dollars in tax liability. There's a Roth revolution kind of component to this thing. And under recent updates, you now have the option to designate SEP contributions as Roth. This means you pay tax now, but the investment grows and exits your vault entirely tax-free. This is a great provision and something to add to your tax strategy. At Petra Worldwide, we don't just help you choose the right vehicle, we also help you with contribution optimization. We compare the SEP IRA against the solo 401k. We look at the current year deduction rules, and we decide and help you determine what's the best option for you, because the options will vary based on the individual situation. So it's very important that you reach out to us, go to our website, enroll in King Life so that we can get started. This is Nathan Weaver. We'll see you next time.
Listen every day at 4 p.m. for Kingdom's Wealth and Wisdom, brought to you by Petra Worldwide, strengthening ministries to transform humanity. On the web at petraworldwide.org.